Charot, good morning Pilipinas. Bound to Hong Kong. Walking alone, guys. My morning healthy habit. Walking alone. In the province of Bikahan, Antiquera, Bohol. Yan. Di ako sa bandang Tubig Dako. And I'm almost reached in Hills 53. Hills 53 Bikers Coffee. Yan. Munis the Hills 53. Bikers Coffee. Coffee. Yan, guys. So, let's welcome to Hills 53 Bikers Cafe. Sarado pa. Wala pa mga bre. Yan. Guys. Yan. Hills 53.